This video provides an easy step-by-step guide to linking the mobile emergency button to your AA Armed Response subscription. Note that you can only link the emergency button once you've subscribed to AA Armed Response and you've downloaded the AA Armed Response app to your phone. If this is your first time accessing the app, the following steps apply. Follow these basic steps to activating your AA Armed Response emergency button. You should see an official welcome to the AA family, with a tutorial on how the app works. After the tutorial, click on Start and enter your mobile number for verification purposes. You'll receive a one-time PIN via SMS. Step 2. You'll receive a pop-up notification to allow the AA Armed Response app to access your location via your device. Click on Allow. This should direct you to a digital map where you will see your current location. Click on Continue to test the app. Congratulations, you're all set up. Step 3. To link your mobile emergency button, first ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device. Then, open the AA Armed Response app and click on the menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select the Add Armed Response button option. Step 4. Click on the yellow button at the bottom right of your screen. The app is now scanning for the emergency button. To pair, press and hold the emergency button for 7 seconds. Congratulations, you've successfully activated your AA Armed Response emergency button.